How do you let her go if you still love her? How do you let her go if you still feel attached to her? We're going to jump into it because I've observed that there's some men that feels entirely attached to women that really no longer should be holding space with them. They shouldn't be cohabitating together or any of that. It's time to let that woman go because she is no longer serving you. It's non-beneficial at this point for you to remain with her on any level. So we're going to talk about how to really let her go because she don't deserve you no way. She's already proved that she don't appreciate you. She's already shown you that she can do without you. She does not deserve to stay alone for the ride. So there's a man watching this video right now that may be stuck. He may be going through a breakup. You know, maybe this woman is seeing another man. Maybe she stopped calling. Maybe she stopped caring. And all of these things could be going on, and this woman may still be there. She may still be around. But deep down, you already know that this relationship is ending, or this relationship is has already ended. You don't have to carry this around all day. You don't have to carry this around all day, every day. You can feel comfortable letting go of this and getting yourself back to where you need to be. The first step is accept the reality. And the reality is basically whatever she did. Whatever she did to create this relationship ending or this breakup, accept that. A lot of men are suffering because they are arguing with reality. A lot of us fall in love with the idea of a person. So it can be a situation where you know that this woman is not good for you, but you just really don't want to see her with nobody else. You may not want to see her with anyone else, but you tired of her. You tired of her. You could do without her. That's a sign that maybe you just fell in love with the idea of her. You may not even truly be in love with her for real. So let's think about this because we got to understand when it's time to really let them go. Because at this point, they just blocking what's coming to you. They're interfering with your blessings and everything that's on the way for you. So this is just a blockage. We got to look at this and view this as a blockage right now. Don't keep replaying all of the old conversations. Don't keep replaying all of the good moments. This is coming to an end. It's time for this relationship to end. So don't cloud, your thoughts with the good stuff, because we already know, despite the good memories we may have with one another, this is no longer serving me and it has to come to an end. So accept the reality, and acceptance does not mean that you're pretending to be okay with it. It just means that you are giving yourself that room to heal, and you are acknowledging the reality, and that is when the healing actually starts. So that's step one. Now, step two is don't romanticize the good things that she did for you, because it doesn't matter if the good outweighs the bad. The only thing that matters is if she's serving me or if she is not. And we're going to keep it simple. Either she's serving you or she's not. So you don't have to think about all of the great things and when she was a great woman. Forget about that. Forget about that. Only focus on the reason why this is not serving you anymore. Don't think about don't create no other fantasies in your mind. It's okay if you are lonely. It's okay if you feel that attachment with her and you don't really want to fully break away, because that can be difficult. But you have to be able to understand, like, am I really just lonely and holding on to something that I know is unhealthy for me? And you got to check yourself if that's what's going on. You got to check that. Don't reach out to her. Stop reaching out to her. Don't ask nobody about her. Stop looking for text messages from her. Stop looking for the signs. Because every time you try to reach out to her, every time you try to check on her, essentially you are reopening a wound that's trying to heal. So it's just like if you break your arm and then you keep hitting the arm. You keep hitting the arm every day. This is what you're doing to yourself emotionally. And you need peace. You need to heal from this so you can move on and meet the girl that's really for you. So understand that this woman was never supposed to be a part of your entire life. She came in for a season, and when she was good to you, she just served a purpose in that season. Now it's over. And sometimes it happens that way. But men lose themselves in relationships, and this is something that women don't talk about. They talk about how their body changes after a baby. They talk about how everything changes about them, and they lose themselves in motherhood and in parenthood. But nobody talks about the dad bod that you give the man because you cooking him unhealthy meals 3-4 times a day. Nobody talk about the desires that he lose. He may have hobbies. He may like to work out. Nobody talks about how the man loses himself in parenthood, fatherhood, or in the relationship. Their hobbies disappear. Their goals disappear. Their friendships disappear. Sometimes they lose their purpose. And then when you decide that, okay, he's done some things to piss me off that I don't want to come back from, now all of a sudden you out the door. When he done lost his drive, he done lost his friendships, he done lost his purpose, his goals disappeared, his hobbies disappeared. Now you ready to leave. So now that you're gone, that man feels like all of those things walk right out of the door, right along with a woman. And that's dangerous because a woman should be a part of your life. She should be a part of your life, but she should never become your entire life. Your identity has to exist outside of that woman. You have to have some individuality still. And if your happiness depends entirely on one person, you always one breakup away from emotional collapse. So have a life, have some individuality outside of that woman. Don't try to skip over feeling the pain. Don't try to skip over feeling it. Sit in it. Sit in that pain. Don't try to distract yourself because this is how the rebound starts. You gotta sit in that pain and feel that pain. Don't try to drink it away. Don't try to work it away or anything like that. Get through it. Get through the pain because pain don't disappear when you ignore it. It shows up later on in a situation, and it happens when you least expect it. So allow yourself to grieve because this is not weakness. This is being human. And the strongest men are not the ones who don't feel pain. The strongest men are the ones who feels the pain and can still move forward anyway.